Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about few things that I carry with me at all times and have very quickly become my absolutely favorite travel essential. So please keep on watching. Right. So I like to carry everything with me in a pouch because that is, I feel, how my brain functions. I cannot find things in my bag randomly, so I always have to, in some way or the other, have them in pouches and segregate and categories, and like I love those kind of things. So I carry everything in a pouch. So this is the pouch that I'm currently carrying with me. This goes smaller or bigger according to where I'm going and what kind of things I want to carry with me. So these are mostly everything fits in this pouch here. All right, so let's start one by one. The first thing that I carry is a comb, but this is just not an ordinary comb. It's slightly different in a way that it's a foldable comb. So if you can see, this kind of folds into a hairbrush, and there's a small little mirror on the other side as well. So what this helps me to do is fix my hair and also fix my makeup, and just not makeup, if eyelashes are falling into my eyes or if someone else also needs it, I can quickly hop on and give it to them. So this is the first thing. You'll always find this in my bag. Not just travel, I actually carry this with me everywhere I go because it's just so easy. Second thing that I carry is a toilet seat sanitizer. I've been using a toilet seat sanitizer for over 7 years now. I started using them in 2017, and I always have them in my bag. They usually come in this size. So this is, I think, 50, this is 75 ml, and they also come in smaller sizes. So if by chance I lose one, I try to get another one immediately. Now I wanted to tell you all something. Is a toilet seat sanitizer, you'll also see in the instruction that it needs to be given 10 seconds for it to evaporate, and then you actually sit on the toilet seat. So I think a lot of people do get irritation, and sometimes it might be because of the toilet seat sanitizer, because you're just spraying it and you're literally sitting then. So give it like 10 seconds and then sit. Toilet seat sanitizers work great for me. This one is a variant floral, but there's another one, I think lavender or something, but I always have them in my bag. And I also share my toilet seat sanitizers because girls helping out girls everywhere, and boys as well. So yeah. The third thing that I carry is this pack of tissues. Now as you can see, this is sealed. I do not use tissues a lot. If I go somewhere, then that's the only time practically I use tissue, but otherwise it always is in my bag. And if someone needs it, I use up I end up always giving tissues to someone rather than using it myself. So yeah, that's that. And you can get these tissues, I think, in a box of 5 or 6, I don't know, I've seen them. And you can just carry one in your bag, and yeah, that you can use it. All right, so the fourth thing that I have in my bag has to be a hand cream. So this is the one that I'm currently using. It's from Body Shop, but any hand cream works. I've also used Borolene in the past. That also works great, but it has a very strong smell. So a hand cream is mainly because whenever you're going, you're always washing your hands before food, after food, in the washroom. You are washing your hands non-stop, and even if you're sanitizing your hands, they tend to get super dry. That's why a hand cream. Now some people may feel like a hand cream is definitely an extra, and I also feel the same, but then I see the difference in using a hand cream and just using a moisturizer, and I feel a hand cream is essential, especially if you have like super dry hands like me. They literally crack from this part, and I get like peeled skin. It's a mess. So a hand cream is an essential for me. This product is a hand sanitizer. It is always there with me. Again, if I need it, if someone else needs it, So you can see most of the things that I have here can be used by more than one people. I also pack in that way because if I'm traveling with my partner or if I'm traveling with friends, we can all share and use things basically. So a hand sanitizer. All right. Interesting. So I also have a lens cleaner with me. If you don't know me personally, I've been wearing glasses for over 23 years now. Yeah, I think over 23 years now. So I would never clean my glasses before because all of these lens cleaners, they would come in these bulky, bottle like packaging, and it would be so cumbersome to carry them. But then I got this one from the last glass that I ordered, and this is from Nova, and this is so sleek. Can you see? It's so sleek. It's really tiny and slim, and it fits into my wallet, purse, everywhere. So I carry it with me, and I clean my lenses with it. All right, so the last three are makeup products. The first is undoubtedly it's a silk scrunchie. I carry these a lot, and I carry one in a very neutral color, like this one is black and white, so it it kind of goes with everything. So yeah, I also put them on the hand. Now this is a very fun 90s trend. I feel like I used to do this a lot when I was in college and in school, even with the other kind of bands, but I like to also put it here, and I think it looks really funky. So I carry this one. After that, we of course have my headphones. Now my headphones are not actually an essential per se because I love I don't know, sometimes I feel like I need to carry my headphones, and sometimes I feel that I just need to live in the moment, and that's why I do not carry my headphone in this pouch, but I do carry it in my bag. And also because you can see it has a lot of liquids, so by chance if something leaks, this is like a Bluetooth headphone, so I do not carry it at all times because I also believe in just living in the moment. But I just do carry them, so yeah, they are part of my essentials. So all right, now after that I have a kajal. Okay, this is the one from Plum, but I always have a kajal or a kohl pencil on me. Again, I do not use kajal and kohl as much, but sometimes I feel when you're just traveling and you just look at yourself, I feel especially us brown skin girls, Indians, I think we always kind of go back to the very natural, what we have just grown up kind of using, which is kajal and lipstick. So I always keep a kajal just in case I want to glam up my eyes a little bit, and also my eyebrows, by the way. So I use my kajal pencil. This is the Plum I Swear by Kohl kajal. So it works great. I've used it on my eyebrows, I've used it as a liner, I've used it as a kajal in itself, but yeah, it quite multifunctional. That's why I carry one. Also try to carry something which is non-smudging and does not budge and does not kind of give you those panda eyes, because then it's a mess. All right, so we are left with the last two products, and one of them is a lip balm. So I carry a lip balm. This is the Himalaya lip balm. I've been using this lip balm since forever again. I love this one. This almost has like a strawberry smell, and it really keeps your lips moisturized. So I do use this lip balm quite a lot. It's also pretty sleek and small and fits into the purse. And finally, I have a product which is absolutely multifunctional, which is a lipstick. So I usually try and carry something which is little neutral, unless I'm really going somewhere where I have already put a red lip or a very dark pink lip. But I usually carry something which is neutral. I am loving the lipsticks from Masaba. Masaba Gupta's Love Child. So this is the one from Love Child that I'm currently loving. It's the shade Hey Sugar, and as you can see, this is a really nice neutral shade. So let me give you a swatch. I'll tell you why I'm giving you swatches and like doing all that stuff. So that is the swatch for the lipstick. And as you can see, a neutral lipstick works in so many ways. So it works, of course, as a lipstick. I also use my own lipstick as a blush, and I use it as a eyeshadow. So again, just like the kajal, whenever I feel like I need a pickup and I'm looking a little tired on the trip or tired on the plane or on the train, I just quickly take up my lipstick and just, you know, put it on my lips and do some little blush. And I think that's why I carry a neutral shade of lipstick, because it works for everything. Imagine carrying a bright red lipstick and just using it as a lipstick and probably not as a blush. So that's why I just stick around with more neutral shades. So all right, that is all of the essentials that I carry with me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you all in the next video. Bye.